Welcome to our channel, and in this video I will teach you about the reality chain. First, please notice our disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, now let's dive right into this video, but first I do want to say that all the links you will need about the reality chain and everything you will need for it will be down in the description. So, in this video, as I said, we will talk about RealityChain. We will fully go over what it is and how you can actually use that to make your own metaverse and to start playing within it. So RealityChain itself is a multi-chain interoperable metaverse as a service. So you can create your own 2D or 3D metaverse, link it to the ecosystem and watch it thrive. Alright, so quickly I wanted to watch something together about RealityChain and what they already have. So as you can see, this is the 2D version of the RealityChain, where you can create and customize your avatars, you can explore the persistent world. This is real in-game gameplay. You can own and personalize your digital lands. They have lands within those 2D and 3D metaverses. Connect your wallets and import your NFTs instantly. And mint and use. There's a real utility in these NFTs in the metaverse too. So I quickly wanted to show you that RealityChain at this point of time has a real product. You can actually start using it right now. Has a real product, and a lot of these metaverse projects at this point of time, they have nothing yet. RealityChain already has something, and therefore I think that's already a very good sign for it, and at least very valuable at this point of time. So RealityChain is an award-winning social metaverse that seeks to give you a non-immersive metaverse experience with the power of Web3. So a metaverse shouldn't replace your social interactions, and instead it should be complementary part of your social life. So it shouldn't be that you are 24/7 within the metaverse, but no, it should be an addition to that. So you lead your normal lives, and apart from that you have your own 2D or 3D RealityChain metaverse which you can use to actually enhance your life. Because RealityChain's metaverse provides a casual experience while still giving you the benefits of owning pieces of it as NFTs. At this point of time, RealityChain already has some great partners, one of which is the Near Protocol hyper realm of RealityChain, where they showcase Near projects. And at its heart, RealityChain's mission is also simple. It is to give the Near project and community the ability to create its own metaverse. And they also plan to onboard other chains as well as Web2 projects into the Near ecosystem. So that's an important thing to know about RealityChain as well. And apart from that, I think it's good to add, as I said, the RealityChain should be complementary. And some of the ways they do that, as I said earlier, is that they have a 2D metaverse. So actually, that's a little bit more casual. And they have the 3D, which is a lot more immersive. But apart from that, the 2D engine, for example, is also accessible via smartphones. And the 3D version is accessible via smartphones and desktop, allowing you again to actually have a casual experience while still experiencing that metaverse. Alright, so quickly I do want to say once more that all the links you will need for the RealityChain will be down in the description. So the concept of the RealityChain really is simple. It's basically that it's persistent, so one whole metaverse and you can go wherever you want to go. It's casual, it's a relaxed world experience that allows you to multitask metaverse and in real life. It's accessible, it's mobile first, light, quick loading times and browser based. Users can jump in at any time without logging in. It's user owned, so every in-world asset, including spatial assets like land, is an NFT owned by users. It's a multiverse, so modifier tokens instantly change your in-world experience, shifting you to other worlds within the same blockchain. And they use dynamic NFTs, so you can actually create NFTs that are linked with in real life data. Alright, so via the links down in the description you can also find the white paper of the RealityChain, which I think is very valuable because once more this allows you to actually see the technicals and the idea behind the RealityChain. And there's one thing I want to highlight in particular from the white paper right now, and that is their own token. Because the RealityChain also has their own token. It's a native token REAL, R-E-A-L, and that can be staked to actually generate a metaverse. So this token is generated with an NEP 141 standard and is tradable on Near protocol. And other than for land staking, REAL is also used as a governance mechanism within the RealityChain, where each interoperable metaverse has its own governance. And quickly you can see the tokenomics right here, so if you want to check those out, either go to the website, they're also on their website realitychain.io, or check out their white paper, or pause the video so you can actually see them right now. So as I said, and I think that's very important to actually highlight, is that REAL can be staked to generate in-world land, and you will be required to lock your REAL to acquire the land, But after you receive the land NFTs, you may resell it using any token. And Real has a finite supply and scarcity increases as more Real is being locked. So all the in-world, all the in-metaverse purchases can be conducted with other tokens, kind of determined by each metaverse's governance. However, RealityChain will receive fees in Real through the following mechanisms. So RealityChain will whitelist the NFT collection for in-world utility and receive a fixed amount of Real. And RealityChain takes a cut of transaction fees, ideally 20%, on each item sold as NFT royalties and then swap back proceeds to Real, once more increasing that utility of the Real token. Alright, so as I said earlier, RealityChain mostly is based around the idea to actually give near projects and the community the ability to own its own metaverse and to create it and play within it. So that's why I also quickly wanted to showcase the Near forum, because right here there are actually great opportunities for creators, developers, artists and leaders to create or join own guild and make some money with their talents. Near Protocol is a relatively new blockchain, but it has already proven itself to be one of the biggest right now. And if you join right now, you are still early. Alright, so with that we have reached the end of this video. So in this video we talked about RealityChain, we spoke about what it was and what it does and how you can actually use that to create your own metaverse. We talked about their token, but also about their mission, but also about their near orientated mission. And we took a quick look at their white paper. But once more, I do want to say that if you want to see any of those things again, the links will be down in the description. So for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments about questions I might have missed and subscribe to our channel. Bye.